Good job cleaning, sweetie. Where are you gonna go clean now? You gonna clean your bedroom? Good work. Whoa. Yeah, it's a good handle for you, isn't it? Good job, honey. Way to work on that. Good cleaning. Time for a break. Do you need help? Help? You're just gonna sit and relax for a minute. Good work, honey.
A storm brewing out there.
You earned a break, and there's a storm brewing out there. That's what Shirtless Daddy says. We sure got a big storm coming this way, babes. But good thing you've been cleaning the floors, so we'll be ready. Alright, bye y'all.